Welcome, I'm Naomi Holdvoet, Senior Growth Marketing Director at Promot. And in this video, we're going to hear from industry leaders on major market trends that are shaping pet care and the real-world solutions that they're putting into place to meet these opportunities and challenges.
In the pet food industry, Quest is seeing that the largest growing format is flexible packages, which are growing at about 7 to 10% annually. So Quest has designed the QP200 case packer to handle pouches with precision and efficiency. We can handle pouches up to 5 pounds, and whether you're packing in bulk, in display cases, or trays, we can pack those into horizontal or vertical formats.
A couple trends we are noticing is the move to smaller individual-sized packages for pet treats, and also the continued expansion of pre-made pouches in the marketplace. Our stick pack solutions have become really popular for liquid treats. We have many different machine sizes, so we can fit different stick ranges and also, make sure we're meeting the throughput expectations. And then with our partnership with Packcraft for pre-made pouch filling, we can do bottom gusset, side gusset, varying size ranges to make sure that we can run all the pouches that a customer may have.
A lot of things that I'm seeing is smaller packaging, liquids in sachets, 3-side seal, for cat treats, dog treats, toppers. There's also some stuff that's very popular in Europe and some of the other Asian countries. We're helping customers establish these lines, design these lines, and implement these lines.
So like on the individual treats, there was a trend that we were seeing. People needed to wrap saying single, some of the pet treats. Most of these things were done on L-bar sealers, like big tendons. They couldn't be done at all. We got intermittent and we got continuous motion machines to handle that. Also, we have a really niche market where we've done some pet treats. Our competitors could not even run the pig ears, bully sticks, 3-inch bones. We took all these products and we ran them through a side seal machine and we answered that call.
In the pet care industry, we've noticed flexible packaging resurging in the market. So customers are looking to be able to run both rigid containers like cans and also non-rigid containers like pouches, trays, and cups. So what we've done is created a machine that has the capability to run a steam process for rigid containers like cans, and then can switch with no changeover to be able to run non-rigid containers like pouches, trays, and cups. So this gives our customers the ability to make one investment and be able to run multiple different container types.
What we're seeing specifically in the pet care market and where we spend a lot of time is in the animal health sector of that. Customers that are using a lot of those products that are going into a blister specifically, leveraging a lot of different SKUs or sizes that need to be ran on one line. So we've actually leveraged our Promot umbrella, right, and our peers at FarmerWorks and developed a blister transfer system that allows for a seamless integration of those blistering from their upstream, line from their equipment into our cartoning application, and so that we can have a seamless integration and run a lot of different sizes for them, but give them that 98% uptime that we quote to.
An important shift that's happened is the requirements that our partners have seen from their end customers. One prime example would be the shift from 1 label per package to 2. So at Promot Labeling and Coding, we've developed a reliable high-speed solution that can do 2 labels per package with just 1 labeler at high speeds that's reliable and operator-friendly.
Nitrogen flush, which is a requirement for fresh pet food, is a big trend right now. The market has these little niches, fresh pet food, frozen pets, dehydrated. Nitrogen flush is a big requirement for that market. So we have multiple places for nitrogen flush that we can get down to less than 2 or 1% residual oxygen in some cases, but they have a unique nitrogen flush system that allows us to do that.
Many of our customers are having conversations regarding how can they take a more sustainable approach to their packaging solution. Legacy systems are great for running legacy film substrate. With sustainable films, the opposite is true. They're extremely sensitive to changes in temperature, and therefore the equipment on which the bags are formed have to account for that particular characteristics of the new materials. At Bartelt, we have developed great solutions regarding technologies that are allowing our customers to run those sustainable films in a more efficient manner than legacy systems would.
Companies are wanting more production, more uptime, more accurate fills as food costs go up, and cleanability for their machines. So we've responded by creating a no-touch CIP system that will clean their complete filler, keep it hygienic and clean for flavor to flavor change, as well as with our new valve, give it an accurate fill so they're not wasting yields.
Thank you for watching. We'd love to show you more about these key trends and how we're responding and how ProMat can help your business grow and adapt.